University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad is organizing a training program on artificial intelligence in agriculture under NAHEP IDP program of the World Bank. The US Dharwad has secured World Bank funding of 25 crores under Institutional Development Plan of National Agriculture Higher Education Project of New Delhi. Under this, we are planning to train all the undergraduate students for use of artificial intelligence in agriculture in association with Hegel Technologies.
The artificial intelligence is going to be the order of the day tomorrow, and it's going to play an important role in various agricultural operations. Towards this, we want to raise skills in the area of artificial intelligence, starting from basics to applied. We are trying to create a series of training programs towards educating the students.
The pre-final year students of University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad will be imparted hands-on training in artificial intelligence and its applications in
I am happy to know that the Hegel Technologies, which are one of the incubators being incubated at Krishik Agribusiness Incubator, is in the forefront of offering this particular technology to us.
Hi, this is Gautam Shigamkar, founder CEO of Hegel Technologies. Hegel builds intelligent robots in making human lives easier and better. We are super excited to launch a certified artificial intelligence training program in collaboration with University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad. I'll just talk about the content and the post benefits. We'll start with artificial intelligence, difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning, what exactly machine learning is, followed by various different algorithms in supervised and unsupervised learning. I'll talk about feature extraction and image classification. We'll keep 1/3 of reserved time for deep learning. The biggest difference you'll find in this course is we are always there for any kind of support you need. You'll understand various different algorithms and the mathematics behind it. You'll work on 15 to 20 plus different projects, and at the end of this course you can come out with your own idea and we will assist you in building that project. What can you expect from this course? A lot of machine learning knowledge and how to use it in the real world. You can join us as research assistants where you will work on various different Hegel projects which will make you an expert in machine learning area. If you like the video, please do share it and subscribe to our channel. If you got any queries, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you.